In this lesson, we'll be discussing about measuring time and temperature. Since last quarter, we already discussed about how to measure time. We will now focus on measuring and estimating temperature. Temperature, it deals with the degree of hotness or coldness of a certain object or at a certain place. It is usually measured in a degree Celsius or degrees Fahrenheit. The instrument we use to measure the temperature is what we call thermometer. A thermometer has different kinds. This can be used in measuring the temperature of the body, a room, or outdoor temperature. Some have scales which can be made of alcohol or mercury or are digital. Mercury thermometers are hardly used nowadays because of the danger of the mercury to humans when exposed to it. Below are the parts of a thermometer. On the left side of our thermometer, we have the Celsius scale, and on the right side, we have the Fahrenheit scale. The capillary, which you can see here at the middle, is the long cylindrical tube where the mercury moves up and down, while the bulb, this is the place where it holds the mercury. Let us now estimate this given example. So for instance, the weather forecaster announced that the temperature will be 32 degrees Celsius. Should you wear a jacket, a sleeveless shirt, or a t-shirt? So there are times when we get no access to a thermometer to determine the exact temperature of a certain object or place. Estimating temperature would help us make correct decisions, especially on important situations or occasions. So to help you make correct decisions, you may use the following as a basis in estimating temperatures. So in this case, remember that the boiling point of a water is at 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit, while the normal body temperature is 37.5 degrees Celsius, and the freezing point of water is at 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So if we remember these three temperature measures, we can estimate any other temperatures. In the Philippines, the normal temperature of surroundings ranges from 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Hence, knowing the temperature to be 32 degrees Celsius, it is best to wear loose clothing such as sleeveless shirt or asando. Let us compare the two temperature readings below. So which temperature is colder? So the first thermometer, which is this one, has a temperature reading of 15 degrees Celsius. While the second thermometer, this one, reads 37 degrees Celsius. The first thermometer has a temperature reading that is colder than our second thermometer. So take note that 15 degrees Celsius is colder than 37 degrees Celsius. Which of the following temperature readings is appropriate to the given picture? So this is our picture. Is it A, 12 degrees Celsius, B, 28 degrees Celsius, C, 50 degrees Celsius, or D, 5 degrees Celsius? Choices A and B are very cold because, A and D are very cold because they are still near the freezing point of water, which is 0 degrees Celsius. While choices B, or the choice B or option B, is inside the normal surrounding temperature in the Philippines. Choice C, this one, which is 50 degrees Celsius, is not a good estimate because even if it is hot in the Philippines, especially during summer, it rarely reaches 50 degrees Celsius. So therefore, the best estimate is choice B, which is 28 degrees Celsius. Joanna set the temperature of his bedroom to 17 degrees Celsius, which is exactly 6 degrees Celsius cooler than the outsides. What is the temperature outside her bedroom? Since the temperature inside the bedroom is 6 degrees cooler than the outside the room, so let us add the temperature 17 degrees Celsius plus 16 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the temperature outside Joanna's bedroom is 23 degrees Celsius. You ordered a hot soup at a restaurant. At which temperature would you like your hot soup to be served? So using the scale from freezing point to a boiling point of water, remember that 0 degrees Celsius is our freezing point, while 100 degrees Celsius is our boiling point. We can already exclude temperatures lower than our normal body temperature for a hot soup to be served. So that is 37.5 degrees Celsius below are already excluded from our choices. Hence, we are left with around 55 degrees Celsius up to 95 degrees Celsius. However, 95 degrees Celsius is too close to the boiling point of water, which is 100 degrees Celsius. Thus, it is not suitable temperature for the hot soup. So therefore, the suitable temperature of the hot soup could be 55 degrees Celsius.